Welcome to the Gear 8 Freak. The German car manufacturer Audi has just launched its all-new 2020 Audi Rs7 Sportback in India. And today we will see what this new hotness packs. But before that, let's see the history and the evolution of the Audi Rs7. For those who are unfamiliar, the S and the RS both are used to refer to higher performance of some of Audi's car models. The term RS stands for Rennsport, meaning racing sport. The first version of Audi Rs7 was introduced in 2014, which was a 5-door supercar with maximum precision of 553 horsepower. And from then, the Rs7 has changed all way long from 2014 to 2020 in terms of design and as well as power. Now let's talk about the power specification of this car. The new generation Rs7 arrives packing a 4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine with a 48-volt mild hybrid system that generates 800 Nm of torque with 0 to 100 in just 3.6 seconds, and that's really fast. And it is a permanent all-wheel drive which also includes launch control functions. The top speed of the standard variant is limited to 205 km per hour. Though Audi has made this car a beast, but to unlock its powers, you need to pay a little extra. For instance, pay a bit more and it can do up to 305 km per hour. It's all software, nothing more will be added to the car, but you still need to pay for it. The RS transforms the softer A7 into a monstrous machine. At front, you get the new Rs7 bumper, which is pretty much aggressive. It also gets updated matrix LED laser headlamps, and rear lights are equipped with dynamic turn signal light and run through RS specific sequences when vehicles is locked and unlocked. Now talking about the suspension, the Rs7 comes with standard Rs7 Sport Adjustable Air Suspension, which is 20 mm low to the standard A7. And when driving at 74 miles per hour, it further lowered 10 mm more, creating less drag. The 21-inch alloys are standard fit but can be upgraded to 22-inch wheels. The track of Audi Rs7 is 40 mm wider. Its wheels are pushed 20 mm outward over the Audi A7, which improves handling. The brakes include upgraded RS Performance 10-piston calipers. And also, if you upgrade it to carbon ceramics, it will reduce the overall weight by further 34 kg, which in turn will improve handling. Now let's talk about the interior. Audi calls its driver cabin as virtual cockpit and truly is designed as its name. The futuristic design with white touch screen looks really eye-catching. Being an RS model, it gets Napa leather and Alcantara trim, while ambient lighting is tastefully integrated and just fitted with many standard amenities. Also, first time ever, you get 2 configurable RS modes, so you can set like suspension, steering and all that kind of stuff on your dashboard screen. One interesting thing, the car comes with a standard rear wheel steering. When driving slowly, it turns the back wheel slightly in the opposite direction to that of the front wheel to make you do tight turns. And while going faster, the back will go in the same direction as that of front wheel for added stability. Now we will talk about the price. Obviously, this car isn't cheap. The list price is 184 crore rupees in India, and that's before you fitted any options. And for maximum madness, consider Black Optics package, which adds darkened exterior trim and giant 22-inch wheels to the car. The Rs7 is slightly different. Audi wants the car that yet can be super quick when it needed to be, but also super easy to live with. And that's all for the Audi Rs7.